Hello, let's explore the animals of the water. Whale, I am a whale. I sing in the ocean. Dolphin, I am a dolphin. I love to jump, and I say. Shark, I am a shark. I have sharp teeth. Octopus, I am an octopus. I have 8 arms. And out like this, swish, swish. Turtle, I am a turtle. I swim slowly. Seal, I am a seal. I clap my flippers. Crab, I am a crab. I walk sideways. Jellyfish, I am a jellyfish. I float in the sea, and I go whoosh, whoosh. Starfish, I am a starfish. I stay on the ocean floor, and I stay silent. Penguin, I am a penguin. I waddle on ice, and I say, honk, honk. Frog, I am a frog. I am a frog. I love the water. Say, ribbit, ribbit. Let's review. Whale, dolphin, shark, octopus, turtle, seal, crab, jellyfish, starfish, penguin, frog. See you soon. Bye-bye.